My name is Ahmed Bassim, and I'm a dentist from New South Wales, south of Wollongong, in an area called Shell Cove. It's a beautiful area on the coast. My practice is on a marina. I've been a dentist for about 22 years now, with a special interest in dental implants and digital smile design. I knew about her course through her book. So I've attended a few courses and bought a few books regarding this matter, and her book so far one of the best books I've found regarding treating worn dentition. This led me to book her course and attend it, and so far the course has been magnificent. It's actually like a jigsaw puzzle coming together. I recommend her course for all dentists who are in interest or have a special interest in occlusion and digital smile design. She's a DSD clinician as well. I execute a lot of my cases through digital smile design, so found that her way of executing cases is very similar to what I do. So I decided to attend her course to benefit more of her expertise. And also, there is a big part of the course about dental occlusion, which a lot of the courses out there, they don't give it much attention, which in my opinion, one of the most important aspects for restoring worn dentition. Every aspect of this course, I'll take it to my practice, but the most important things that will improve my work in the future is I have now a better understanding about occlusion and how to restore these patients with worn dentition to a stable occlusion. This is a very important thing. The other thing which is very, very important as well is the sequencing of treatment and the workflow and treatment planning. This course, is spending a lot of time in doing this and teaching us how to sequence the treatment and how to properly treatment plan and the workflow for everything. This is my first time in New Zealand. It's a very beautiful place, and the island here is amazing. The venue is amazing. I've seen the photos, but when you see it in real life, it's something else. The food is amazing. She has a private chef for us, cooking us food. So Andrea has paid attention to every detail regarding education, regarding the food, regarding the venue. It's really good. Look, if you have an interest in digital smile design and you're seeing more patients with worn dentition, come and attend this course.